Today I will show you a demo of how atomic swap works and how you can swap and trade any number of tokens or NFTs for any other number of tokens and NFTs in a single transaction, which is a very simple and safe way of trading on Cardano. So let's try that. I will create a session and connect my wallet. And I will need to add perhaps 100 data and some other tokens, some honor coins, perhaps 10,000. But of course, I need to trade with someone. So let's copy the link and send it to the other person. In this case, I will simply open another browser and paste the link. And you will see that they are able to view my side of the offer. It's what they will receive. So let's connect their wallet. And perhaps they will add some mint coins. Perhaps 1,000. They will then be allowed to freeze, which means that the trade can no longer be changed. What does that mean? It means that if I now would be sneaky and lower the deal, say only offer 1,000 honor coins instead of 10,000, that will not update my part of the deal. So I will still see 10,000. I will get a notice that trades are not in sync anymore. So let's change it back to 10,000. And we will also freeze and sign the deal. And you can see I will lose 100 data, makes sense. The reason why that number here and is half of the fee is because the fee is split between the two trading partners. You will also see that I will lose 10,000 honor coins and that I will get 1,000 mint coins. So let's sign the deal. On the other side, I will now get an accept offer. I can either sign or reject. In this case, I'm going to do it very simply. Now we'll sign the deal. Looks all right to me. I'm paying for half the transaction fee, which is why this is a slightly lower than 100 data. I'm losing 1,000 mint and I'm gaining 10,000 honor coins. It looks right to me. And of course, you can always check the policy ID and asset ID that are correct and what you expect. That's actually very important. I will then confirm the deal and it was successful. Now all we need to do is wait for the transaction to go through, which will take a couple of minutes perhaps. We can check out our non-wallet, go to the history tab, and we'll see that there have been past transactions, but that our new one has not been picked up by the blockchain just yet. And here we got it. So we lost 100 T-ADA, gained 1,000 mint, and lost 10,000 honor coins. Looks good.